morning students. Welcome to Gnan Manjari Modern English School. I am Davya Krupa. I am going to teach you a GE subject. So in previous lecture we learned about chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Okay. So let's do the quick revision first. We are going to do a oral revision of it. कि degree of comparison या का मतलब क्या होता है. ठीक है. In that we learn two types of degree. कितने टाइप्स की डिग्री हमने सीखी? Two types of degree. Which are they? They are comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. Okay. In this chapter we are going to learn about the two degrees. Okay. Comparative किसे बोलते हैं? To compare two people, events, animals और things. Okay. उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? अगर दो चीज की कंपैरिजन हो सीधी तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. ओके. और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री किसे बोलेंगे? कि कोई एक चीज की कंपैरिजन पूरे ग्रुप से और कोई भी दो और तीन लोगों से ज्यादा से हो रही हो कंपैरिजन तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. ओके. सो दिस इज योर चैप्टर नंबर 10. इन दैट वी कंप्लीटेड एक्सरसाइज ए फर्स्ट पैरा. हमने एक्सरसाइज ए का फर्स्ट पैरा किया था. ठीक है. इट इज ऑन पेज नंबर 33. हमने पेज नंबर 33 में जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ का एंड हो रहा है वहां तक हमने पढ़ा था. ठीक है. सो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट लास्ट टू रिमेनिंग लाइंस. ओके. जो दो लाइंस बाकी थे वो हम पहले कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल डू द रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइज. ओके. सो रेडी विथ योर पेंसिल, ओपन योर बुक पेज नंबर 33. रीड द लास्ट टू लाइंस. हमें क्या करना था ये एक्सरसाइज में? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑन पेज नंबर 32. इट इज गिवन देयर. अंडरलाइन ऑल द एडजेक्टिव्स शोइंग कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज इन द पैसेज बिलो. क्या है? हमें कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज जो दिए गए हैं पैराग्राफ में उसे हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन इट. ओके. सो इन दैट वी कंप्लीटेड पैरा 1. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द सेकंड पैरा एंड द लास्ट पैरा. ठीक है. सो इन दैट, ready with your pencil, we are going to start our exercise here. The tower was built, B-U-I-L-T, built after, the tower was built after the B-U-R-J, Burj Khalifa and is a little shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter than Burj. Okay. Full stop. However, comma is given. However, as a, आपको सीधा बुक में ही अंडरलाइन करना है. ओके. एज अ broadcasting tower, comma, it is the tallest in the world. Full stop. The another line is it is taller than the Canton Tower in China. Okay. So this is your last two lines of the para. Now read it again. The tower was built after the Burj Khalifa and it is little shorter than Burj. So क्या आएगा पहले? It is shorter than. So you have to underline on shorter. Okay. And another line is however, as a broadcasting tower, it is the tallest in the world. क्या आएगा? Tallest. So you have to underline on tallest in the world. It is taller than the Canton Tower in China. So you have to underline in will start the new exercise. So now look at the board first. The tower was built after the Burj Khalifa and it is little shorter. क्या underline किया हमने? Shorter than Burj. However, as a broadcasting tower, it is the tallest in the world. It is taller than the Canton Tower in China. Okay, we underline the tallest word and another one is taller. Okay, so this is your exercise number A. Now we are going to do a practice session. In that, one exercise is given. Exercise A is complete the table. Okay? क्या करना है हमें? We have to complete the given table. In your book, a pink color table is given. Pink color का एक table दिया गया है. Look at that. We have to complete that. Okay? What is written in that? क्या लिखा है उसमें? पढ़ो आप पहले. The three columns are given. इसे 3 कॉलम में डिवाइड किया गया है. First one is adjective. Another one is superlative, comparative. and the last one is superlative. Okay, in 3 columns the table is divided. In first one क्या है, पहले क्या दिया गया है, in question it is written, comparative में लिखा है more polite. More polite is given, okay, and in superlative it is given most polite. This we learned in the previous lecture. ये हमने आगे के लेक्चर में पढ़ा था, ठीक है. So क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है, more polite and most polite. तो उसका एडजेक्टिव क्या होगा, polite, polite, polite. Okay, number 1 is this. Then number 2, in number 2 in question it is given more unforgettable. क्या दिया है, more unforgettable. Unforgettable is given. So what we have to write, we have to write adjective and superlative of this. So first we write adjective. क्या आएगा, unforgettable. unforgettable, unforgettable. And इसका superlative क्या होगा, most unforgettable. Okay, then number 3. Number 3 is delicious. The question is given in adjective, it is given delicious. What we have to write? We have to write the comparative and superlative of the word delicious. तो क्या आएगा, more delicious. And what will be its superlative? Superlative क्या होगा उसका, most delicious. MOST, most delicious. Okay, then number 4. Number 4 is hot. क्या दिया है, hot is given. उसका हमें क्या करना है, comparative. तो क्या होगा, hotter. क्या होगा, hotter. And उसका superlative क्या होगा, hottest. HOTTEST, hottest. Okay, then number 5. In number 5 the superlative is given funniest. क्या दिया है, funniest is given. हमें क्या करना है, comparative and adjective. तो उसका adjective क्या होगा, funny. पहले क्या आएगा, funny, और उसका comparative funnier. FUNNIER, funnier. Okay, so this is your bracket. Okay, copy this fast. Afterward we will revise this. So now look at the board first. हमने आगे के लेक्चर में सीखा था कि कई वर्ड्स के आगे हम क्या लिखेंगे। अगर हम कोई वर्ड्स का कंपैरेटिव करते हैं तो we will put more, and अगर सुपरलेटिव करना है तो what we will add? We will add most. ठीक है? So in first letter, it is the question is given more polite and most polite. ये comparative and superlative दो दिया गया है। हमें क्या लिखना था? We have to write the adjective. तो क्या होगा? Polite. क्या आएगा adjective उसका? Polite. So you have to write Polite. Polite. Then number 2. Again it is given more unforgettable. क्या दिया है? More unforgettable. क्या करना है हमें? We have to write the superlative of this and adjective of this. Okay? So first we will write adjective. तो उसका adjective क्या होगा? Unforgettable. क्या होगा? Unforgettable. So the spelling is unforgettable. Unforgettable. And उसका superlative क्या होगा? Most unforgettable. तो क्या आएगा? most unforgettable. Unforgettable. Okay. Then number 3. The adjective is given and we have to write the comparative and superlative of this word. ठीक है? तो adjective क्या है? Delicious. क्या दिया है? Delicious. तो उसका comparative क्या होगा? More delicious. क्या होगा? More delicious. So the spelling is more delicious. Delicious. And what will be the superlative of this word? Most delicious. Most delicious. Delicious. Okay. Then number 4. Hot. The adjective hot is given. We have to write the comparative and superlative of it. तो क्या आएगा comparative में? Hotter. क्या आएगा? Hotter. Hotter. ठीक है? Then superlative में hottest. 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 Okay? Then number 5. The last one is the superlative is given. उस पर से हमें क्या लिखना है? Adjective and comparative. तो superlative में क्या दिया गया है? Funniest. Funniest. What we have to do? We have to write adjective and comparative of it. So first of all we will write adjective of it. तो क्या होगा उसका adjective funniest का? Funny. Funny. You have to write in the adjective column funny. Okay? And उसका comparative क्या होगा? Funnier. Funnier. क्या होगा? comparative funnier. Funnier. Okay? So again we will revise this. First word is polite, more polite and most polite. Second one is unforgettable, more unforgettable and most unforgettable. Then third one is delicious, more delicious and most delicious. Fourth one is hot, hotter and hottest. And the fifth one is funny, funnier and funniest. Okay? So this is your exercise number A of practice. Okay? We are ending our lecture here. Before we end, note down your homework first. So ready with your pencil and book and note down your homework first. Learn and write exercise A of practice. Okay, exercise A of practice. क्या लिखना है आपको? Exercise A of practice. In your rough book. In your rough book. How many times you have to write? 2 times. कितनी बार लिखोगे आप? 2 times. Okay? So जो एक्सरसाइज अभी हमने की ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, जो आपको रफ बुक में लिखनी है, you have to write in your rough book. And how many times? 2 times. Okay? So this is your homework. We are ending our lecture here. In the next lecture, we will learn about some more adjectives and हमारा जो extension session है वो हम complete करेंगे. ठीक है? So till the next lecture, have a nice day.